Welcome to the Wrike channel. Are you looking for a great alternative to Trello? Perhaps you're looking for something more intuitive or collaborative, or there's a feature Trello doesn't offer that you need for your project management. In this video, we are counting our top picks for the best Trello alternatives. We show no special affection to any software, and the appearance on the list is random.
Number 1. Notion as a Trello alternative. Notion is an all-in-one productivity app for teams that go beyond note-taking. This alternative to Trello offers a collaborative workspace for planning and organizing tasks and projects with customizable building blocks.
With Notion, you can say goodbye to using multiple apps and hello to a more efficient way of getting work done. Compatible with many devices. Create content, take notes, and organize projects in one app. A wide range of project templates. Add comments anywhere within a project page or database.
Trello alternative number 2. Airtable. Airtable is a spreadsheet tool with advanced capabilities to record tasks and projects and save files. It can serve as an effective alternative to Trello if you're seeking to change the way you visualize your tasks and projects.
The tool lets you add elements, such as images, links to other tasks, and assignees within the spreadsheet. Schedule and plan tasks using the Gantt chart. Track your progress with a simple drag-and-drop Kanban board. Integrates with popular tools. Collaborate on shared data with other Airtable teams.
Number 3. Asana as a Trello alternative. Asana is a simple project planning tool with many integrations to help you manage your work efficiently. Unlike Trello, this project management tool offers much more extensive customization than Trello, including custom fields, charts, and reporting.
This Trello alternative also delivers progress reporting and tracking, useful for evaluating project performance over time. Create custom rules to automate common tasks. Avoid getting burned out using workload management. Manage your goal progress with goal tracking. 50+ project templates to help you get started.
Trello alternative number 4. ClickUp. ClickUp is a project management software and Kanban tool with powerful features for managing and completing all your team's projects in one platform.
Within a centralized workspace, this alternative to Trello lets you plan projects, schedule tasks, and manage resources. Link similar tasks across your workspace. Add comments to tasks and tag team members. Get ahead and stay consistent with project templates. Track your project in any view that suits you best.
Number 5. Wrike is a Trello alternative. If you're considering alternatives to Trello, there's another option you might want to check out: Wrike. Wrike offers enterprise-level features to help you manage all your tasks.
And if you're on a tight budget, Wrike's free plan is one of the best options out there. Track time spent on tasks and projects. Generate detailed reports for real-time updates. View project newsfeed for team updates. Integrate the app with over 400 different SaaS apps.
Trello alternative number 6. Basecamp. Regarding web-based project development, Basecamp is a solid Trello alternative that can help your team stay organized and on track.
This all-in-one toolkit for remote work offers project management features that enhance collaboration and keep everyone in the loop without constant meetings. Chat directly with your colleagues. Message boards to keep team conversations together. Real-time group chat to ask questions. Document sharing and file storage.
Number 7. Jira Software as a Trello alternative. If you're looking for a powerful alternative to Trello, Jira Software is definitely worth considering. Designed for agile development teams and product developers, Jira takes task management to the next level.
This alternative to Trello offers cloud and subscription-based tools that help teams coordinate effectively and achieve a common goal. Customizable workflows increase efficiency. Highly scalable and easy to customize as you grow. Scrum boards to simplify complex tasks. Time tracking with color indication.
Trello alternative number 8. Monday.com. Monday.com is a Trello alternative that offers users a simplified and real-time way to manage their tasks. This project management tool promotes transparency and collaboration, increasing employee motivation, trust, and engagement.
With Monday.com, teams can work together more effectively and create a culture of success. Resource management to maximize resources. Integrate external tools to streamline workflow. Budget and expense tracking and management. Granular permissions available to protect sensitive data.
Number 9. Microsoft Project as a Trello alternative. If you're seeking a robust project management tool, Microsoft Project is an excellent choice. With flexible features for any project type and an intuitive interface to switch between boards and grids, Microsoft Project makes it easy to track project progress.
This alternative to Trello is a reliable and efficient tool that can help your team stay organized and focused on what matters. Helps teams deliver projects as per the timelines. Reduces project burdens, enabling the team to focus on other tasks. Highly scalable to meet the needs of users. Offers project flexibility for financial management.
The last Trello alternative on the list is Teamwork. Teamwork is a comprehensive project management platform perfect for agencies and client services teams. With all tasks in one place, team leaders can manage workloads, projects, and clients more efficiently.
The dashboard and board views simplify tracking, and the billing and invoicing features make it easy to manage client expenditures. Increased profitability and business growth. Collaboration increases teamwork between teams and clients. Activity tracker keeps members up to date. Multiple inboxes to eliminate the confusion of email chains.
Have you got another Trello alternative worth joining this list? Tell us in the comments.